Here's your fast stock market update from me, Nigel, CEO of De Beer. Tariffs looked as if they were going to rock the stock market, but when Trump put them off until April, is he just negotiating? Yes, thinks the market. Let's see what happens, but right now you've seen an increase in the S&P and indeed in the European indexes. Could it actually be that Trump is just negotiating? I personally think he wants to raise revenue to reduce taxes. You're going to get some form of tariffs, but right now Trump is keeping everybody on their toes. That doesn't mean there's not investment opportunities. Right now the market's focused on peace. Can Trump actually sort out the situation between Ukraine and Russia? Of course, he's holding peace talks, but he's holding them with Russia and not with Ukraine. That, of course, is not only controversial, but it means will peace actually stick? What we're seeing is that the stock market overall likes that the peace talks have started. However, just think Europe needs to spend money on defence, whichever way. So if you're investing money, European defence stock could well be an opportunity for people. Also look at the banks. They've continued to just give good, steady returns. They're underpriced in Europe. This year so far, European indexes are up 10%. They're ahead of America. Could it be that Europe beats America this year? 10% for Europe, 10% for Hong Kong, and 4% for the S&P so far this year. As we look forward, we see that interest rates are lower in Europe, so it does give bigger opportunities potentially because of that. We also still like other sectors that are linked to AI. I'm a fan right now of AIM Holdings. Why? It's central to the AI systems that are being developed. I think that stock could do well. I'm also liking JP Morgan. I think that is a company that can take advantage of AI and deregulation in America. I think there's opportunities. Gold's hit another high, seems to just continue to go. Right now we're seeing gold 30% up. Will it keep going? For me, I'm cautious, but you might add it to a portfolio for diversification. What should you sell? Anything that's a super high multiple where doubts are in, because right now the market's super positive. Trump's got his honeymoon period. Some point that's over. When you get it, volatility, if that's possible, is actually going to increase for me.